Hi, it's Scott from Invictus Active. We've got a Kuschall K Series G3. Got several different options and features that we're just going to run through. So if you're considering a K Series wheelchair, then this will hopefully highlight some of the options and the specification that you can have. Okay, so it's got height adjustable handles, and these work by just undoing that, and you can really go up to the full maximum height, come down, and then they lock in. You just lock them off like that, and that is then solid. So if you need the push handles but you want them to be more discreet when you're not using them, height adjustable handles are ideal. We've got carbon side guards. These just clip up and fold in. So if you've got the wheels removed, you'd obviously fold them in and then the backrest will go down. So these are very lightweight, nice and compact, follow the shape of the wheel. So you fold the backrest in, and then it's got the foldable backrest. You just pull up this at the bottom, push that straight forward. So as you can imagine, again, if that's got the wheels off, the frame of the K Series is one of the most compact. So you could get that straight in the boot or on the passenger seat, and then it's locked into place. To disengage the backrest, you've literally just got this quick release there. So you just pull that up, and then you can hear it lock into place, and it's then solid. And then you just swing out your carbon side guards. Okay, so these are the active scissor brake. They really are underneath the chair, and that's how they engage. So when they're off, as you can see, they don't come out and stick past the frame of the chair. They are really very compact, and then when you're sitting in the chair, you literally bring that round, locks off onto the wheel. Okay, so as you can see, the K Series has a D-section footrest, and what that is you've got a tube and then another tube back that if you look from above, it would be what we call a D-section. Now this is the ideal type of footrest to fit a FreeWheel to. So if you've got this type of footrest, and the K Series is a great example of that, it'll be perfect for using the FreeWheel. Okay, the customer's gone for a 90-degree angle, so it really does make the chair really compact. So the pitch of the chair is in and at 90 degree, so that the overall length of the chair is therefore not as long, and when you're sitting in it, it really makes the frame compact and user-friendly.